Okay, boys and girls, I don't know how clear this is coming in on the camera, but yeah, today is maintenance day, and finally, after procrastinating forever, I'm gonna cut down my bed, not frame, but one of the sections, so that I get 2 more inches of clearance that way. 2 inches is not a lot, but when you're gotta walk through like that, it makes maybe a bit of difference on the leg knee room. So I'm doing that while I make up some coffee. Actually, no, I'm not making coffee because somebody forgot to turn it on. How's that? Yeah, so maintenance day. One of the other things is I've got one bad wiper blade. It's on the driver's side. Where am I pointing? I think the camera's up there. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll show you a bit later. One's a good blade. So I'm being cheap bastard. I'm not going to replace it. I'm going to swap it over for now until it totally breaks. And what else? I got to blow up the back tires. I think they're a little bit low. And one of the other things I want to do, I'm getting some leaks around this window, and I'd like to reseal it. I don't have time today because it's shower day after I do everything. Check the oil, all those other things. I got to do some organizing in here. So yeah, but and I got to buy the ceiling strip. So it's cheap. The ceiling strip is not too expensive. So I'm going to take that window out and reseal it so there's no leaks this winter. I also might have to reseal my back vent. Sometimes I get some drips around there, so I'm gonna reseal this guy up. I got 2 vents in this van, so one in the toilet area, and there's one main one right here. And also note that this van does not have a max air fan or any type of fan. I don't know if I really need a fan. I just leave it open a crack and let it air out on its own usually. So yeah, but anyways, okay, let's continue on outside and cut this bed frame. Okay, you know what? I'll see if I can show you how this frame arrangement works. So in a sleeping position, it slides out like that. In a non-sleeping position, if I want to use it just as a couch, whatever, I lift it up and like that. So then I kind of put it up against the wall like that, and then this slides in, see? So that then it can be used as a regular seating arrangement, and I can put a table up here and eat. And I've done that with Korean Girl, and that has been storage when I sleep in it. And that is my spare house battery. But that will not be there. I would like to put the spare house battery there. And the other house battery, maybe, is outside the van. Hold on, I'll show you that just before I cut this. So I'm going all over the map, I know. Oh yeah, coffee is done. Ouch, hot, hot, hot. And yes, the community center and the baseball park works as my workbench. Okay, and there we have it. That's all I took off, was just this short little section, 2 inches. So we'll try it and see how this works in the van. Should be okay. So I'm not worried if it's too short because I can slide it a little bit out further. Okay, let's try this out. Let's slide this out, slide that in. Sorry, I can't get a good overview of this. And dropped in. And how is that? Yeah, I know it's a mess in here. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's a little bit better. Got a little bit more room, so I'm not bumping myself there. So we'll try and put the bed in right away. So I've checked over the fluids really good. Yeah, topped up the oil. It does burn oil. It's an old guy, or leaks it, or both. Oh my god. And the other thing I do check is every 2 months I go through the wiring just to see if there's any chafing, rubbing, signs of burning, So I'm always trying to be cautious that there's no wiring problems. And I checked the ignition box, and I went to find a spare one, and the place I went to, Lordco, says they don't stock it, but I think it was just that particular store. So I might go to another one, because you know what? I believe they can get it. Now, the other problem I was talking about... Oh, I lost my rag in there. No. Was the wiper blades. So this is how this one's held on. I just wire tied it. Yeah, because it's broken, and so be it. That one I'm not worried about, because I'll put it over here and use that on the passenger side, and the passenger side's a good one, so I'll swap it out until they both break, and then I'll get new ones. So that is next thing on the agenda. I was originally just going to cut the wire ties and wire tie it onto this one. However, I noticed that, you know what, I can screw them and just take them off and swap. So that saves me a little bit of a hassle. And ta-da! Just like that, they are swapped over. So basically what was happening with this one was, when it's raining and my wipers are on, this thing is flexing too much. There's no strength. So it wasn't cleaning off that window very good. And you know what? While I'm here, I should put some Rain-X on, because rainy season is coming. So you know what? That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. And you know what? One of the other things that a good RV needs, or somebody living in a van, is one of these. A tire pressure, or a tire inflator. You never know when you'll get a flat tire or a low tire. So this one, I cut it, spliced it, and I hook it up to my house battery, and I can use it at will. Then we go from noisy truck, garbage truck, to that. Okay, get this. Because I'm a lazy man and didn't want to pull the house battery out of my van and take it to power my air inflator, what I did was I hooked up some booster cables and hooked it up to my inflator. So yeah, ingenious. Sorry, I can't help it. Well, okay, maybe not ingenious, but you know what? It saves me probably a good 5-10 minutes of taking it out. Lucky 555. Yeah, that's the number. Lucky 555. We're gonna keep the pressure at 55.5. Well, if it doesn't leak. Yeah, we'll keep the triple numbers. Maybe it's good luck and we'll have no problems with the van. I'm also put it at 555 because Korean girl was looked at the clock today, and it was 2:22. I drove her to work. She says, oh, we have to leave at 2:30. So she looked at the clock. 2:22. I have a few minutes left. So I'm going with her theme. Anyways, I gave my van a blowjob. Just wait, that doesn't sound too good. I gave the tires a blowjob. That doesn't sound too good either. I blew up my tires. Inflated them better. Yeah, I know, I'm bad. Anyways, on to the next project. See behind me? It's about to rain. Rain clouds. And you know what? I haven't used this stuff yet on this van. And I've had this bottle for 10 years probably. It's been awesome. This is amazing. Rain-X, you put it on your windows, you put it on wet, let it dry to a haze, rub it out, and then it forms a coating. And whenever it rains, the rain just beads off. It's amazing, amazing. You probably don't even have to use wipers. I went through a rainstorm one time in Manitoba. It was pouring like crazy. Everybody was pulling over on the side of the road. They couldn't see anywhere. Me, my old truck, I blasted away through it because it was just beating off. It was like there was no rain at all through the window. So amazing stuff. If anybody ever needs to try it, I highly recommend it. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, can this guy hold a video camera and squirt this shit on at the same time? Maybe he can. I'm a little shaky, so I apologize. So yeah, we're just gonna wipe it down. We'll do half and half. So that is it right there. So we just wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. So we're gonna keep this cloth to do the other side, and then after it hazes, turns slightly white-ish, then we will wipe it right off. Again, using buffing with one of those. So anyways, that's how you do this stuff. Hello, YouTubers? Are you in there? Hello? Oh yeah, you guys are there. I can see you. But look at that shine. Holy Carilicker. I haven't seen that shine in a long time. Anyways, yeah, we're finished. Basically, what the Rain-X does is forms a chemical bond on the surface that makes it easy for the rain to just slide off. And anyways, that's my last outside job I gotta do. I'm gonna go put the bed back in and finish up, and then we're gonna go to the pool, shower, swim, hot tub. Oh my god, I'm looking forward to just resting and relaxing. Blah blah blah. Okay, ta-da, 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 there we go. That is the 2 inches, and you know what, yeah, that 2 inches actually made a bit of a difference. So my skinny little legs will actually walk through, so that is a bonus. I like it, I like it. So
that's really it for this one, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, as always, stay awesome.